guys, we have a special gift for you guys. Let me show you guys right now. So we have a little squishy that you can all collect, and we have another, and we have all of this stuff that we're gonna open. And we even have fake money.
Yep.
And we even have 2 squishies.
And a spooky spider. Ooh.
And look, we even have 2 squishies, guys.
Wow. So what do you guys think? Leave in a comment down below which one we should open first, guys.
This one. So you open this one. So
Wait,
guys,
I got an idea.
Dun, 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 dun.
I don't know how to pick, so you just get.
Here we go, guys. She's picking it out of a bag. I mixed them up pretty good. Let's see which one she gets. Comment down below, guys, what you think she's gonna get. Oh, she kept an eye on that one, huh? Let's see. What is it, guys? Ooh, it's friendship bracelets. All right, cool. Let's check out the friendship bracelets.
So guys, you're gonna make them, and it's gonna be hard because look how many you have to collect.
No, it's not too hard. Maybe you should open it.
Yeah, open it.
We can make a bracelet. You want to make a cool bracelet?
Yeah.
Got it.
2 hours later.
There we go. Now there's another one on the other side, remember? Do it on this side. Right here, look. See that one? Do it right there. Perfect.
Three hours later.
Already got it open. I'm so sorry. We just had a
Let's see what they look like. Oh, wow, okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
So guys,
Here, wait. Here, you hold the... So we got the letters here. You'll dump the letters out like this. Keep those in one pile.
oh God,
Oh,
Here.
Oh,
some on the floor.
there we go.
Some on the floor,
We
Dad.
dropped one, I think. All right, hold that one. Next up,
So
we'll have
Dad,
to do the
we have
strings.
these. Guys, and here they are right here. The right, Dad. Oh, these ones.
All right,
Oh, go like this, so that they don't fall.
thank you.
Welcome. I'm gonna.
All right, wait. No, we got to put these on the string, though. Look,
Dad!
we got to put them on the string like this. Watch. All right, guys. Here's how you do it.
Pick these up.
Take one bead and one string, and you put it through the hole right here.
It's around everything. Dad, should we put this little bead in a Ziploc baggie? Yeah?
No, we're gonna make a bracelet. Let me show you.
Open it.
Wait, we need to leave them out though, because we gotta put stuff on our strings. Look, we gotta pick them up. See?
Well, Dad. Well, you're doing that. I'm putting these in a Ziploc baggie so that we could get them out, so that they don't make a mess.
Okay, good idea. Thanks a lot.
You're welcome.
Darn it. Sometimes I think the... Oh, I almost caught one. I missed it, though. Pick it up. It was an orange one. Maybe it wasn't an orange one, though, actually.
That's cool. Get 'em. Get.
There we go. Now we need a V. You see the V anywhere?
A B.
Oh, here's a V right here. A, V.
Guys, here's what they look like. I'm gonna put them in the Ziploc bag. But first, I have to pick up all of them. Like, put them in. Step in the hole. Tap in the hole.
Next up, we're gonna need a E.
Or card it. Okay, guys.
Can you find me the E, please?
In just a minute, I will. Okay?
Do you guys know how to speak Pig Latin?
No. What is that?
Ute ikith pe ig Latin pe? Ingstray Eadbay. A slip bray. Hey. Uye, Anawe, Akame. A slip bray. Ithwe, Ime. You know who knows how to speak Pig Latin pretty good? Pop could speak Pig Latin too.
Dad, one just melted.
What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? No peeking, no peeking. Oh, we got some money. All right, what are we gonna buy now?
It's the fake money.
This stuff's like super sticky right here. Whoa. It's a sticky hand for sure.
That's the fake money.
She's balling, guys.
The fake money.
Okay, let me get my store ready real quick. All right, guys, let me get my store.
No.
All right, should we move to the next one?
Yeah, move to the next. Guys, that was funny.
Welcome to my store. Would you like to buy some bubble gum? Hey, you got any change?
Yep, right here. Some money.
Yep.